Ito ang pinakadikit na laban sa series na to, matira-matibay mga idol sa Game 4. Ant-Man with the insane bounce. Kapit malala sa upuan ng crowd sa ganda ng ending. West Finals Game 4 OKC versus Timberwolves. High ball pressure ang agad na in-apply mga idol ng OKC Thunder. Wala to sa Game 3. Halimaw sa first quarter si Jaden McDaniels double-digit scoring. Posterize pa niya si Chet Holmgren and one. Ang dalawang inalat sa first half ng Game 3 naman ang kumana para sa Oklahoma City Thunder dito sa first quarter ng Game 4. SGA at si Jalen Williams mga idol ang bumuhat sa visiting team. 26 out of 37 points sa first quarter ng OKC Thunder ay nagmula lang naman kay SGA at J-Dub. They only missed 4 shots mga idol combined. Talo sa rebounds ang Minnesota Timberwolves, napakaraming offensive boards ng OKC Thunder. Bumawi naman sa 3-point shooting ang Minnesota with 5 out of 10 shooting outside the arc. 37-30 and of first quarter, lamang ng 7 ang OKC. Only 1 shot attempt si Anthony Edwards so far. Second quarter, hindi pa rin nakakaporma si Julius Randle. Total lockdown ang ginawa sa kanya ng OKC Thunder. And how about this defense by Mike Conley kay Jalen Williams? Total lockdown ng pinakamalit na player sa All-Star naman ng Thunder. Rookie Shannon Jr. making a big impact again off the bench for Minnesota. He scored 7 points in less than 5 minutes of playing time. Isa sa may malaking ambag sa opensa ng Minnesota ay si Nickeil Alexander-Walker. He scored 11 points sa first 2 quarters mga idol. Frustrated na ang crowd kay SGA, sigawan ng free throw merchant sa arena. Masyadong magaling sa pakiramdaman ng kontak itong si Shai Gilgeous-Alexander. Dikit ang laban 65-57 and of first half, lamang ng 8 ang OKC Thunder. Anthony Edwards aniyari 4 points, 1 of 2 shooting lamang ni lockdown ng Thunder. Ganon din si Julius Randle na may 5 points lang in 1 of 4 shooting. Third quarter, much more aggressive si Anthony Edwards. He scored a layup and early offense. Nag-close ang depensa ng Thunder sa ilalim na open si Mike Conley for corner wide open 3-pointer. 7-0 run for T-Wolves.
He throws it down!
Naging liability both ends si Julius Randle kaya hindi makalamang ang Minnesota Timberwolves. Lobo ulit sa 9 points ang lead ng OKC pero itong second unit ng Minnesota, grabe yung impact. Donte DiVincenzo, Nickeil Alexander-Walker and Naz Reid. Tie game with 4 minutes left sa third quarter, 79 all. Kinakapos pa rin ng Minnesota Timberwolves, hindi pa rin nila makuha ang lamang. Step up din ang bench mga idol ng OKC. 7-footer Chet Holmgren spin move and a dunk. 86-79. Bumawi naman si Anthony Edwards with a crazy bounce. Grabe, napakataas ng talon na to mga idol ni Ant-Man. Timberwolves still down 5, 90-85. SGA to end the third quarter hesitation and a bunk shot mga idol. Nickeil Alexander-Walker, what a shot mga idol to start the fourth quarter. Take over ang pinsan ni SGA with 21 points mga idol. Consistent naman si J-Dub, 26 points and counting, second leading scorer behind SGA for OKC. Sakit sa ulo din ng Timberwolves si Chet Holmgren. Anthony Edwards umiwas kay Lu Dort mid-air to extend the lead into 8 points. Chet Holmgren again, big shot, long 2-pointer, kumokolapse ang depensa ng Timberwolves. Anthony Edwards finally he hits his first 3-pointer of the game. Last 6 minutes pa rin ang laban. Donte DiVincenzo, much needed 3-pointer. SGA sumagot naman and 3-point counter by Jaden McDaniels. MVP mode si SGA, assist kay J-Dub, 116-109, 7-point OKC lead. Kapit malala ang fans sa upuan mga idol sa tindi ng bakbakan. Sagutan pa rin Donte DiVincenzo, 3-pointer, 4-point OKC lead with 90 seconds left. And J-Dub mga idol with the clutch 3-pointer, 123-118. Chet Holmgren, clutch block naman kay Jaden McDaniels. Last 23 seconds, second chance points. Jaden McDaniels corner triple, 123-121, 2-point lead. Foul game ang nangyari last 14 seconds. Dito natalo mga idol ng Minnesota Timberwolves. 3-1 na ang series in favor of OKC.